Okay, so let me tell you all about my productive morning routine. Actually, there's a big fail in this video, but you have to keep watching to see what it is. Let's start with our sponsors. This video is sponsored by MixEasy, a custom skincare product company where you can pick the ingredients that go into your specific product based on the needs of your skin. MixEasy is easy and fun to use, and it's actually the hero of our story today. But you have to wait to the end of the video for me to give you the link and code that you can use to get your own skincare savior. Trust me, this is exactly what you need, a custom product made for you. Now this morning started off like any other morning. I woke up just like this, prayed, and then got into my dream journal, where I like to spend time in the mornings writing down my desires of the day, manifestations, prayers, or just anything in general that is on my mind. I highly recommend this habit if you're not into it already. It's good to get the first things that come to your mind right out at the gate. Now I know as well as anyone else that the ultimate first success of the day is making up your bed. Am I great at it? No. But I make sure to get the habit in just so that I can start off each day as successful as possible. As soon as that bed is made, it's time for me to descend from my 6-foot ladder. Damn it. Whoa, what are you doing here? Where's the fail? Where's the fail? I hear you asking for the epic skincare fail, but it hasn't come up yet. In fact, this is where I'm making the decision to try something new, a black mask for my full face. And there goes our hero entering again, MixEasy. Up until this point, everything is a part of my normal routine. Except now this is my first time using the Spa-Tastic's black peel-off mask. I'd only used a peel-off mask one time before this, and it didn't really work, but this time I was hopeful. So I smeared that all over my face, just knowing I was going to pull out every single impurity in my skin. The mask requires 15 to 30 minutes of wait time, so I decided to engage in some yoga as I waited for the ultimate moment of truth. Would this mask work? Ow! Oh my god! Oh my god! Ow! As you can hear from the Velcro sound, the mask is in fact working and is much more painful than I had anticipated. In this moment, we can see that I'm now realizing how poor of a decision I had actually made. Trying to figure out the best strategy to get this mask off my face. Oh my god. Things are even more painful as I get up to the eyebrow. Oh my god, it hurts so bad. Yes! Maybe I shouldn't put it on my eyebrows. It's important in any story to realize where you done effed up. But I put on my eyebrows. I think I was... Oh my god. Okay, hold on. Ah! My mustache. Okay, no. Oh my god. It was at this point that everything just hurt, and I wanted nothing more than to get this black charcoal mask off of my face as soon as possible. The tears are real, people. The tears are real. After about 7 gentle minutes, I was finally able to get majority of the mask off my face, but my skin was terribly dry. Do not put it on your eyebrows. This honestly felt worse than an eyebrow wax, but if we look closely, my skin crazy dry after this mask. However, before I could worry about my dry skin, I had to worry about my eyebrows. Fortunately, I was able to save my brows with water, which turned that mask into mush all over again. However, I was still a little bit bothered by how dry my skin felt after rinsing it and toning it. And now, the true hero of the story comes to play. I figured my skincare fail would be the perfect test for my new MixEasy products. If it was supposed to help dryness like I had selected, this was going to be the time to find out. After squirting the MixEasy product into my hand, I gave it a smell. Delicious. It smells so good. More important than the smell, it actually worked. This face cream was restoring moisture to my completely dry pores. I followed up this moisture routine with a little bit of my new MixEasy Eye Serum to help fill in fine lines and keep underneath the eyes looking full and youthful. I must say I am very happy with both products. And there you have it, one fabulously, epically failed skincare morning with me, Spirit. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you are interested in your own custom products, check out the link in my bio. Bye!